Give me a tour.
Come show me.
Give me a tour of the bus.
Alright, come on in.
Sure thing.
Even the doors are studying.
Where'd you spill?
No. Where do you sleep?
So this comes down to a queen size bed.
Okay.
And then this comes down to a bed.
Twin bed?
Yep, not bad. Thanks for telling me.
A door set.
And then we got a sink. We got a stove that comes in and out. Right now it's out. You can cook inside out. Runs on propane. TV.
Air conditioning?
Yeah, kinda.
Right here.
Yeah. Yep. What else do we have, Hazel?
A light.
Light.
Sunroof.
Emergency. Yep. Can we get out, please?
Okay.
Thanks.
Doors are opening.
Doors are opening.
What year is it?
2002 GMC.
Nice.
Savannah 350.
So tell me about the
what's
bonus
that?
room.
No.
Tell me about the bonus room.
So this is a Jeep awning that I fabricated to put up on the bus. In the ribs of the bus. 4 screws all the way through.
Okay, got it.
There's about this big, like a sleeping bag. It's another room. It slides in this channel right here.
Yep.
And
Got
then it zips all the way around, and then there's a floor. It's all fully mosquito.
It has a floor.
Yep. It's all one.
Nice. How many square feet?
Is this?
Yeah.
This is 96 square feet. What's 10 by, I don't know.
10 by 10?
Yeah, maybe another. You got water for everybody?
Cade? Look.
Yeah. Oh, you look adorable in it.
Whose is it?
So something ain't right. We're going backwards.